some templates there's an auto word count in the front matter. Depending on what you're submitting and where you're submitting it to, you might want to change this. Hi, my name's Juliet, and today we're talking about other word count codes in Scrivener 3 for Windows. If you simply want an exact word count, use the code $WC in lowercase. If you want a rounded to the nearest word count, the manual suggests the following options: $WC50, $WC100, $WC500, and $WC1000. But I had to test this out. It works with 75, so I think it'll work with whatever you put in. There also might be occasions when you want to count characters instead. In these instances, you simply change WC to CC. If you're interested in the date placeholder formats you can use in Scrivener 3 for Windows, check out this video here.